If you're looking for the Nanoleaf sets in this year, you are at the right place. In this video, we're going to show you the Nanoleaf sets available on Amazon today. We reviewed literally dozens of products, and we made this list based on a number of factors including the features of the product, value for the money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. We even read countless reviews from actual users. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you'll buy one of the best products available today. So make sure to check the product links below in the description. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Nanoleaf Lines. Nanoleaf Lines is the newest kit available, and it offers something a little different from other Nanoleaf sets, which are all tiles of one sort or another. Lines are light strips that connect together in a range of shapes. There's a really wide range of platform support, meaning you can probably do as much with this smart light set as any other. However, although it's physically easy to set up in and the app get to grips with the basics of controlling the lights, there's a steep learning curve to explore more advanced features. The screen mirror feature will ensure your lights complement your monitor's display, but you won't be able to use them with your TV unless you have a PC or laptop plugged in. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Nanoleaf Shape Starter Kit. If you're a gamer/streamer and are trying to decide on which Nanoleaf product is the best, then the Shape Sonic Limited Edition Starter Kit could be the aesthetic you're looking for. Nanoleaf partnered with Sonic the Hedgehog 2 to create these limited edition smart lights, which come with 4 large triangular panels and 28 small ones, making one of the company's largest sets. It will set you back a pretty penny, though. This set has several unique pre-programmed color patterns, so you can position the panels to the shape of either Sonic, Tails, or Knuckles. It takes some manual painting to get the pens right. However, once you have it saved, the app will remember your preferences. The number 3 position is held by Nanoleaf Elements. With the Elements set, Nanoleaf has created a set of lights that looks good both on and off. Important really in decorative lights. The panels have a textured, wood effect finish that adds a touch of Scandi aesthetic to your wall. In our opinion, they're one of the best looking Nanoleaf sets. The lighting also reaches to the edge of the panels, which is an improvement on earlier sets. However, all this comes at a price. Not only are they expensive, but their features are limited. Instead of supporting colors, they only display a range of white light. This means they won't respond to your TV and don't have gaming gear integration. Next at number 4, we have Nanoleaf Shapes Hexagons. Nanoleaf shapes are far from cheap, but they're a dynamic way to combine smart lighting with wall art. You can combine panels of different shapes. There are 2 sizes of triangles, plus the hexagonal panels we reviewed, all of which can be used together to create your own interlocking designs. They're easy to set up and use, although the app is not very helpful at explaining all of the features. Shapes can be set up to complement your TV or monitor, and have touch sensors so that they can be used for games. You can adjust their brightness, and they should last for 25,000 hours. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Nanoleaf Canvas. Nanoleaf Canvas is a follow-up to the original set, but it's not as advanced as Nanoleaf Shape. It consists of 9 square LED panels that you can arrange as you like and mount on your walls in just about any configuration. Connecting and mounting the LED tiles is quick and easy. The Wi-Fi signal is solid, and the app and smart assistant support are easy to integrate, so you can quickly control the lights from your phone or with voice controls. There's an optional mode to have the tiles change color in response to music, but the rhythm support is flawed, although fun. It's also very dependent on how close to your speakers you can get the panels. The system is expensive, especially if you have ambitions to build a sprawling design with tens of panels. That's all for today. We upload tech product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.